So welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at what we'll be expecting once the market opens. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, and make your comment. Now, when you take a look at this right here, you will see that gold is literally dropping, right? There's no doubt that this gold is in a downtrend, it is dropping. But due to the uncertainty that is currently going on, we should be expecting gold to give us a bullish move. Why are we expecting that bullish move? Is simple. Gold is a safe haven currency. So when during a period of uncertainty, you will see safe haven currency like gold, silver, and even JPY, they tend to gain value. So because of what is currently going on, you should be expecting gold to actually gain value. So we are currently at a level of 4333 on gold, right? Gold is trading at 4,333. With this moment, we should be expecting it to push up and tap a level of 4,370. So a level of 4,370 is what we should be expecting on gold. That means we should be expecting a buy. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also follow the Telegram. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section.